Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Codewars 7 Caillou Find the Missing Element Between Two Arrays. Alright, so what we need to do here is, given two integer arrays where the second array is a shuffled duplicate of the first array with one element missing, find the missing element. Please note there may be duplicates in the array, so checking if a numerical value exists in one and not the other is not a valid solution. Alright, so basically this first array is always going to be one longer than this one. This is 1, 2, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So the second 2 is missing from this, so we return 2. Here we've got 6, 1, 3, 6, 8, 2, and 3, 6, 6, 1, 2. So we've got a 6. First 6 is there. We got a 1 is there. 3. We got that there. Second 6 there. 8, no 8. 2 there. So we return the 8. The first array will always have at least one element. Alright, so our variables are going to be array R1 and R2. I'm going to take this test case, these variables here for that test case, move on over to CodePen, because I like using CodePen when I'm solving algorithms to see my code working as I move forward. We're going to initialize our two variables. Then we create a function. I'm going to call it func. And just to make sure everything's working correctly, we're going to return array1 and then console.log the initialization of func. And now we should get, oh, we need an E at the end of console. There we go, and we've got array1. Alright, so basically what we need to do is we need to sort both arrays. And then we're going to loop through array1, and then all we're going to do is we're going to say is, array1 at whatever index we're at, the same as array2 at that index. If it is not, we're going to return whatever that element is in array1, or whatever that number is, I should say. So first thing we need to do is sort both of these. So we're going to say array1.sort, and to get these working in correct numerical order, we need these two parameters, the arrow function, and then we say a minus b. We need to do that for both arrays. Change this to array2, and just to make sure this is all working correctly, I'm going to console.log this, both arrays, array2. There you go. Now they should be in ascending order. So basically, when it gets to this 8, it's gonna check that and realize that that is not 8. It's gonna be undefined because there is no element at that index, and it's gonna return 8. So quite simply, we need to do a for loop. Let I equal 0. And then we're going to say if I is less than array1.length I plus plus. Okay, so let's just make sure the loop's working. Array I sorry, it should be array1 I. Perfect. And finally, all we need to say here is we need an if statement that says if array1 I does not 2 at I. We're going to return array 1 I. Now we should get 8. And there it is. Very good. And then we can remove that return statement. We don't need it. I'm going to copy all that logic. We're going to move over to CodePen. Paste it in. Test it out. Attempt. There we go. We're good to go. Submit. Alright, thank you for watching this video today. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Enjoy your day.